I'm about to show you a bizarre hack that might just let you memorize every chord on the piano almost instantly. There's a reason I say, try at your own risk. It's so straightforward, it'll feel like you're cheating. Sounds fun? Let's dive in. The secret is something I call the inside-out method. It flips normal chord learning on its head. So typically, we pick a chord name, let's say C major, and memorize each note. But the inside-out method starts with the middle note first, and then stretches outward. Yeah. So step 1, find the center of your chord. For major chord, that center is often the third, like a E on a C major. Yeah. Step 2, slide outward to the root and the fifth, the outer notes. So for C major, pick E, that's the third. Move to the left until you had C. Move to the right until you had G. That's the root and the fifth. Boom! Chord memorized from inside out. That's our entire chord right under your fingers. So, why does this inside out feel so weirdly effective? Because it forces your brain to store the shapes as a single image. The third becomes your anchor. So your fingers snap into place around it. No more mixing up tones. Let's test it with a chord that might feel thickier. How about E major? Yeah. Center note, the third, G sharp. From G sharp, scoot left to E root and scoot right to B the fifth. Feels like a magic trick, right? Wait until we add some spice. All right, your turn. I'm going to call out some chords and I'll count down. You place your middle finger on the third, then stretch out to root and fifth. Don't overthink it. Just do it inside out. Ready? So, G major, the third is B. I'll count down. Ready? Find B, then G and D. 3, 2, 1. And here it is. Here or here. Yeah. All these would be fine. Next one. A major, the third is C sharp. Same deal. Center on C sharp, A and then E. All right? Ready? 3, 2, 1. Center on C sharp, then A and E. All right, next one. D flat. The third is F. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. And third is F, D flat, and A flat. That's it. You'll nail at least half of those on the first try, and you've already way ahead of the game. Isn't that great? So if you really like this, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. It helps tremendously. I really appreciate that. And as a thank you, I do have a free piano course for my subscribers. I'll link it down in the description. It's the best way to start learning the piano. And it's free for my subscribers. Yeah. So if you're here, thanks so much for subscribing and grab this now. Pause the video and come back to it so that you don't forget it. So now you can guess how to do minors, right? The third shifts down by half step. Inside out still works. Just look for the flat third instead of the major third. Let's try C minor. The center note is E flat. And then to left C, and to right G. It's nearly identical to the major chord you've played, just with that sad sounding center note and melancholic sound. So why do I say try at your own risk? Because once you train your hand to find chords from inside out, your old chord habits might feel downright clumsy. You might never memorize chords the normal way again. It's that addictive. All right, to level this up, let's add a quick rhythmic trick called anchor and fill. Anchor your middle note, the inside note, and play it first. Fill out the notes next, either together or one at a time. Yeah, for instance, let's do this with an F minor chord. The anchor note is A flat, the minor third, fill in the root F and fifth C. And try a rhythmic approach. Anchor and fill together, C and F. Anchor, fill. Cool, right? This gives you your chord an ear-catching bounce. So, time for a 30-second rapid fire practice. We'll do the anchor fill for 4 chords in a row. If you can keep up, your chord memory just went pro. So, C major, E is the anchor, then C and G. G minor, B flat is the anchor, then G and D. D major, F sharp is the anchor, then D and A. B minor, D is the anchor, then B and F sharp. So, I'll count us in and let's do this together. 3, 2, 1, play anchor E, fill C and G. Next one, G minor. 3, 2, 1, play anchor B, fill G and D. Next, D major. 3, 2, 1, anchor F sharp, fill D and A. Next, B minor. 3, 2, 1, anchor D, fill B and F sharp. Yes. You keep up, you're unstoppable. It was tough, keep practicing. If it was tough, keep practicing. And each time you do it, your chord mastery jumps. So, we do have a bizarre, super effective way to memorize chords. Inside first, then out. That's it. So simple, yet it flips chord learning upside down. If you got value from this, remember to hit that like button and subscribe. And don't forget, for my subscribers, I have this free piano crash course in the video description. Best way to start learning piano. It keeps me going, and I can keep help you playing. So, thank you so much. And before you go, here's my final pro tip. Practice your inside-out chords for both major and minor in a random order. That'll lock them into your long-term memory fast. So, thanks so much for being here. Here's the next video so that you can go on practicing. I'm looking forward to see you there.